My dear candidates, let me tell you why maximum candidates fail and why are the maximum casualties in the stage 1. The biggest stumbling block these days in the SSB is stage 1. Can you believe candidates are not able to do their OIR properly, not able to write a relevant story, and thereafter not able to narrate it confidently and precisely and to the point. Thereafter, not able to take initiative in the group discussion, how to participate in the group discussion, how to come out with logical point so that you reach to a common story. Look at this. This is a simple requirement of stage 1. Let me tell you why candidates get screened out. Because of the most common mistakes which they do in the stage 1. Can you believe they have not practiced the OIR properly? Though there are no negative marking in that, but some of the candidates just fail because of OIR. The second thing, which is much more important, third evening, I am conducting a live TAT session, again based on the request of the candidates. It's a live session at 7 p.m. where I am going to cover 3 stories, some WATs, some SRTs. The second thing, which is much more important, they are not able to write a relevant story. They are not able to see the picture properly, observe the picture properly. They do not understand what's happening in the picture, and thereafter they are not able to imagine what could have led to this situation and what is likely to happen. They will make the story, but it will be a synthetic story. It will be a made-up kind of story, which we can easily understand. That technique I am going to explain to you through various psychological tests and such kind of classes. Also will explain you when we go through this stage 1. And the last mistake which they do, they are not able to narrate their stories confidently, precisely and to the point. That body language. And let me tell you, narration is so important. Frankly speaking, we generally circle the candidate. Means he is to be watched. He is more or less selected. And then we'll see you in the discussion. Again, the candidates never open up. They never speak. And when they speak, they will not come out with the logical points. So these are the common mistakes. And let me tell you, after stage 1, maximum casualties of the SSB candidates are in the GTO series. And why? And where? In the GTO series, simply it is the basic series. What is the basic series? It is your GD1, GD2, group planning are the crucial one. After that, there is a progressive group task in which mostly people do well. And thereafter, the 4th test in the basic series is group obstacle race. And let me tell you, if you are physically fit, you are bound to do well. So where do you make the impression in the GTO series? It is simply in your 2 GDs and in your group planning. So here we are. Considering my experiences in the SSB, I have brought out a wonderful course for you. Can you believe we have a real practice session? Practice, practice and practice, where you'll have an ability, you'll have a chance to speak up, where me and my commander Rajan, who was the top GTO of the country, will be assessing you and will be guiding you. We are just selecting a group of 15 candidates and they will participate in their stage 1. We'll mark them exactly as per the SSB standards. We'll tell the candidates where you lack in stage 1, how can you be screened in. Thereafter, we'll conduct a GD1 and GD2 for them. So they will not only able to communicate properly, they will be able to learn the body language, conveying their points confidently and precisely, will be able to display their knowledge, will get a chance to practice among the 15 candidates. It will be virtually a kind of live session where everything will be live. Thereafter, you'll have a full-fledged group planning in which we'll give you the same situation. You'll be writing your plans for 10 minutes and for 15 minutes we'll be discussing on that plan, and thereafter one of you will be giving that plan. guys, since the seats are limited, book yourself today. The course is from 3rd to 6th. Every morning for nearly 2 hours this course will go. All those boys and girls who do not get the chance to enroll among the 15, so they can be part of the group as participants, observers. So it is just at a very, very nominal price. Observers are virtually 1/4 of the price, so that you see the whole proceedings, you learn, and in the end you'll have an opportunity to ask doubts. So it's a beautiful session. Guys who attend it will realize it. They will be far more prepared for SSB, and you'll be closer to your dream. That's a promise. So see me on 3rd morning for this live class, which are for 4 days. Let me also tell you, 3rd evening I am conducting a live TAT session, again based on the request of the candidates. It's a live session at 7 p.m. where I am going to cover 3 stories, some WATs, some SRTs. I am going to explain you the technique of doing it, and we will keep holding such classes from time to time whenever our candidates need that. So guys, don't miss it. Remember how many times we have to speak in the SSB. We have to participate in the stage 1, group discussion 1, group discussion 2, and group planning. Imagine 4 times you are virtually participating in a kind of discussion. Therefore, you got to have this kind of quality, this kind of practice, this confidence to give your point of view in a group. So see you on 3rd to 6th course, stage 1, GD 1 and 2, group planning. It is just practice, 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 and live practice in front of 2 mentors who are going to guide you. Also, the last word I am saying, that never miss 2 SSB courses of mine. That is the 5 days SSB course and 4 days personality development course. Along with that, my interviews and psych tests that will virtually put a stamp in your selection. All the best, guys. Best of luck. Bye-bye.